City lights are breathing slow. Windows glow like afterglow. We don't talk, we don't need sound. Every step is breaking ground. Your shadow dancing on the wall. Time feels thin, about to fall. I don't chase, I don't hold tight. I just stay here in this light. No plans, no promises tonight. Just the truth between the lines. When the night slows down and the world lets go, I don't need forever, I just need this moment close. When the night slows down and your heart beats loud, I don't ask for more, I stay right here. When the night slows down, street lights humming soft and low. Every fear I used to know fades away without a sound. Like a storm that lost the ground. Your hand warm against my skin. I don't ask where we've been, if this ends, it ends somehow. All I need is right now. No maps, no reasons why. Just your breath against mine. When the night slows down and the world lets go, I don't need forever, I just need this moment close. When the night slows down and your heart beats loud, I don't ask for more, I stay right here. When the night slows down. Maybe love is not a flame, maybe it's a quiet name, spoken once then understood, in the dark, in the good. When the night slows down, I'm not afraid. I don't need tomorrow, I don't need to be saved. When the night slows down, I finally found something real, something now. When the night slows down, no rush, no sound. When the night slows down.